It's Father Jamie, and I'm here at the lake. Just wanted to give you all a view of the lake today. It is gradually filling up. It's not quite full yet. I just took the paddle boat from the St. Anthony Shrine to over here where I have beached it. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's over here somewhere. And it'll be easier to drain over here. And of course, this is where the paddle boat and my pontoon boat will both be docked. We're going to have a docking area over here, and it will be covered, so the boats will not be filled up with water anymore. And I hear a woodpecker. So anyway, Bernadette and I were out here. We just got off the paddle boat. Now we're going to go walk down the track and go get back on the train and take it to the house. And I'm a little bit pooped because I've been dipping out water out of that boat and pushing and prodding and all that, and that's not easy to do when the hole is full of water. But it's good for me. Well, here we go. Here we are again. We're walking to the train. Just wanted to give you another little view of the lake and the St. Anthony Shrine, and I'm sure y'all can hear that woodpecker just going to town on that tree up there. He's just pecking away. There's two of them. I hear one to the left and one to the right. That's kind of funny. There's a lot of pecking going on. All the creatures. Ooh, I heard a fish splash in the lake. That's a good thing. Well, here's the little train. Bernadette and I are going to get on the little train. Oh, St. Anthony's hanging out over here. He's got it going on. Praying for us, finding things for us, because we lose a lot of things around here, including our minds. So, come on, Bernadette, let's get on your train. Here she goes. Go on. Yep, pull me in. Oh. Okay. Put this rag over here that I would use to wipe the seat of the boat. Ah! Sorry, excuse me, pardon me. Okay. Get my Moses stick in its spot. So. Bernadette, what are you doing? Oh, here we go. All aboard! Get your leash put over here. Oh. Get my water bottle under the seat. Oh, my boot is muddy to wash the train. You can see our new bathroom building off to the left, and then use the Union Station to the right. My boat is parked up here too. We'll catch up with y'all later.